Hello students, welcome to another maths class. So in today's class, we'll be expressing numbers as products of prime factors. So we are going to see how to express numbers. So before we begin, let's take a look at what prime numbers are. Okay, so prime numbers are basically numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. So prime numbers can only be divided by two numbers. So any number that can only be divided by either by 1 and by the number itself is a prime number. So examples of prime numbers are 2, 5, 11, and 23. So when you look at all these numbers using in the multiplication table or any chart, you will notice that this number can only be divided by either itself and 1. So we call them prime numbers. So every numbers, whether prime or non-prime, can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. So how do we do that? So when you're given a question and you're asked to express a number as a product of a prime number, how do we solve that? So it's very easy. Let's take a look at some of these examples. So the question comes like this. The question would say, express the number as a product of prime factors. When you see a question like this, it's very easy to solve. There are different ways you can use to solve this, but I'm going to be using the ladder method, okay, because it's straightforward and it's easy. So number 1, so how do we express 12 as a product of its prime factors? You write, change the color of the marker, fair blue. So we have, we draw a table or a ladder like this. So I'll write 12, okay, here. That's the number I want to express. So the first thing is you look for a prime number. Okay, we have a lot of numbers that can divide 12. We have 4 can divide 12, 6 can divide 12, but those numbers are not prime numbers. So we need to divide 12 using a prime number. And so we are using prime numbers only to divide. So I'm going to use 2. 2 is a prime number. So 2 divide 12 will give us 6. So I'll divide further. So 2 divide 6 will give us 3. So another prime number that can divide is 3. So 3 divided this will give us 1. So at the end of the day, I would pick these numbers, okay, and I'll write them in index form. So this is 2 times 2 times 3. So my final answer for this is going to be 2 squared times 3. So I've successfully expressed this number as a product of prime factor. If you multiply these numbers, 2 squared times 3, you're going to get 12. So it's just basically you are expressing the number 12 in another form, which is as a product of prime factors. So I hope you understand. So let's move on. So let's express 72. Okay. So I'm going to start. The first prime number I'm going to use to divide this is 2. So for 2 going 72, 2 going 7, if 2 divides 7 here, it will give us 3, remainder 1. So I'll put the remainder 1 in front of 12. Or front of 2 gives us 12. So 2 divided 12 will give us 6. So 72 divided by 2 is 36. So 2 going 36 is going to give us 18. And if 2 going 18, it will give us 9. 2 cannot divide 9. So which other prime number can we use to divide 9? So we use 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 can divide. So 3 going 9 will give us 3. And if 3 going 3 will give us 1. So write this out. So I would have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So finally, the final form of our answer is going to be 2 to the power of 3, because I have 2 3 times 3 to the power of 2. So that's the final answer. So let's take a look at more examples. So we're asked to express 84 and 102 as a product of prime factors. So we have 84. So divide by 2. So this will give us 42. Okay, can divide again by 2. This will give us 21. So 3 can divide 21, will give us 7. And the only prime number that can divide 7 is 7, which is 1. So our answer becomes 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. So the final form is going to be 2 squared times 3 times 7. So this is my final answer. So last example, we have 102. So let's express this as a product of prime factor. So we have 102, okay, divide by 2. So I want to use 2, okay. So 2 going 102 will give us 51. Okay, if you look at 51, so which prime number can we use to divide 51? Take a look at this very well. Take a look at this. 3 can divide. 3 can divide, yeah? So 51 divided by 3. 3 going 5. Firstly, 3 going 5, it will go 1 times remainder 2. So I put the remainder in 2 in front of this number. So if you're wondering how I'm dividing this, I'm using short division to do this. So if I put the remainder in front of 1, I'm going to get 21. So if 3 going 21, it's going to go 7 times. So which other prime number can we use to divide 17? 17. Okay, 3 cannot, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 can't. So I don't see any other prime number, so except 17 itself. So 17 going 17 will give us 1. So our final answer is going to be 2 times 3 times 17. So if you look at this, no number repeated itself here. So I will leave this as my final answer. So there you have it. So this is how we express numbers as products of each prime factor. Quite easy, right? So give this a shot. Give these questions a shot. And if you'd like to learn more in mathematics, you can please subscribe to the channel and can also share with your friends. Thank you.